Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor, and we have two 1-hour CE certified courses coming your way on Monday, November 18th. And we're going to start at 11 a.m. and go to 1 p.m. Central Time. And the first hour is going to be all about Instagram for your business. So I'm going to show you basically the top 10 things that you need to be doing with Instagram to have success for the upcoming year of 2025. Take your business to new levels with Instagram, but then also for the second hour, riches in the niches. This is where we're going to take a deep dive and look at some of the things that maybe you just aren't aware of within the real estate world that you can focus on that's going to expand your business. Because if you focus on one central item, your business will expand from there. And so we're going to go in and we're going to show you how to take advantage of Instagram and riches in the niches. This is a class that is going to be via Zoom. So all you got to do is register with this QR code or click the link below. And we will see you guys very, very soon on Monday, November 18th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Central Time. Thanks.